So in this, a person can see up to 3 meters. Now we have to prescribe a lens for his spectacles that will help him see up to 12 meters. So the lens that we prescribe must be such that the object that is placed at 12 meters, the lens should be able to focus, should be able to create its image at 3 meters. Then only the person can see the object clearly. So from this we can write the object distance u as minus 12 meters and then image distance v as minus 3 meters, because that's where the image has to form, and we have to find the focal length for this. So from the lens equation I can write 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u, and I substitute all the values in this equation. That gives us minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 12. So this implies f is equal to minus 4 meters. So we must use a concave lens of focal length f is equal to minus 4 meters to help the patient to see, not the patient, to help the person to see the objects at 12 meters distance.